Hello, everybody. This is SashaMoniqueTalks Soap and Suds Review. So today I am using Sheer Colorguard. It keeps your colors bright. It's 64 loads in this bottle, and it's great for all machines. Okay, so I never used the Sheer Colorguard. Someone suggested that would use it, and I don't know what took me so long to try. I had it for so long, but y'all know I have a big stash of detergent, and sometimes I get stuck on one or two or three, and I forget to use the other ones. Okay, so as you see, I'm putting my dark clothes in the machine, and I have a nice amount that I'm putting in there, and we will see the results of using this Sheer Colorguard. Okay, so I will be back and tell you how I feel about this detergent. So here's the results of me using the Sheer Colorguard. I had this detergent over 2 years. I don't know why I wasn't using it, but I love the results. Everything looks so bright, so clean, has a fresh smell to it. That has a little lint, but I can get that off. Look, everything looks so good. I will be buying this detergent again when I run out, because it's perfect for your dark clothes. Thank you so much to the person that suggested that I use this detergent. I am really loving it. Thank you so much.